Hello friends, this is Kamiko Williams and I'm here with a tutorial for the digital tool Kahoot. So it's very fun and it's very easy to use. Let's get started. So we're going to log in using my email. And when I first started this and I logged in, it gave me 10 days to practice using the pro version of it. So that's pretty good. Now, they have already some tools that are amazing already included in here. And one I thought about immediately utilizing is the team building one. So let's take a look at it. On this one, it's very interactive. Each player can use their phone to do it, or you can just join the game here. Let's see what we got. So we're at work, and it's the team building exercise. So let's get started. Alrighty, where are the faces? Give them to me. Alrighty, something I like to do in my free time is I bet you guys couldn't have guessed that. That's one of my many strengths. Anyway, that's one of them, and I just think it's already pretty cool to start off, when you guys get together. So that's one way. But I've also already started an Kahoot. So this one, all you do is you upload your whatever your source information is, and in my case, I use the unit outline, and from there it pulled the questions. So that was pretty cool. So let's see what we can do. Let's just play around in here. So like I said, guys, there is a paid version, and then this one we can try with 3 people. So let's look and see what we got here. Get ready to join. And this time we're going to go ahead and log in utilizing the QR code. And it automatically puts the pin in there for you. So once you do the QR code, it'll automatically generate. And then we're in. So let's get started. So, violence is a public health emergency. It's nothing to play with. So there's a poll. Have you experienced community violence? Most of us have. What is community violence? Great question. Interpersonal violence. Let's try that one. Great. And so on and so forth, guys. It just has all type of questions, and it allows for great interactive play. I think this is amazing for any of the classes that you have. And it'll also be something fun. So I thank you guys for watching my tutorial. If you happen to have any questions, I'm here, and I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.